Find theta. Well, we have ourselves some right triangle trigonometry, boys and girls. This is a radius. This is a y value. Now, which one of my sine, cosine, tangent guys gets me the radius and the y value? Well, that would be sine, of course. So sine theta would be the y over r. Okay, so the y is 6. So sine theta is 6. The r is 12, which last time I checked simplifies out to a half. Now, what this is asking me is, all right, the sine of what angle gets me a half? Well, remember, sine is a y value. So if I'm thinking, all right, well, what positive y value gets me a half if I was thinking unit circle thoughts? The dot right in the middle. The dot right in the middle doesn't. I'm sorry, just kidding. Not the dot right in the middle. The first dot. The first dot. Ooh, all of that. The first dot is going to get me the y value of a half. And that first dot is represented by pi over 6. So if I were to inverse sine both sides, right? I'm again asking you what theta, if I were to take the sine of it, would get me a half? Well, pi over 6. And not pi over 4 like I originally thought. It was a close one, but I pulled it through.